Hey there. This video will show you how you do a pivot table and count the unique values of a field. So just to give you an overview of my data, I have a data downloaded from IMF. I have a country field where same country appearing multiple times. But when you do a pivot table, normal pivot table, then you will see the number of rows if you get a count of any of the field. But if you want to know the unique number of countries, then you can do it in a pivot table. So let's just start a pivot table to demonstrate this. All right, so click Control A to select your entire data set. I'll just roll down and scroll to the right to make sure I have selected everything. Now you go to home button. No, sorry, that's not home button. Sorry, go to insert tab and click the pivot table icon here, and then just accept all the default values. Click OK. Now your blank pivot table is created here. Let's just put the country on the rows tab. All right, so you have the rows tab here. But if you want to know that how many countries are there, so click country, take the country, grab it and put it in values column and see Afghanistan. For the first one, there are 45 values there. So, but if you want to know only one for Afghanistan, you can do that too. So, and you have to do it in the beginning when you start creating the pivot table. So this is not working as if you are trying to get the unique values of the countries field. So let's just go ahead. Let's do it again. So you already have the selected data set. Go to insert, click pivot table, and actually this data for some reason is not giving you this option enabled, which is add this data to the data model, and this is the requirement that you have to do to make it unique. And I know why it is not working, because this file format is XLS format. You need to make it XLSX format, which is the latest format of an Excel file. So let's go ahead, cancel this. Let's try saving this file as a XLSX format, which is you do this way, save as, and then change the format, and you can save it. Let's see if it is working. All right, saved. Let's click Control A and go to insert, click pivot table. Wow, this is working now. Add this data to the data model. All right, click OK. Looks like it's taking time. Okay, now you have a pivot table, blank pivot table. Put country in here, and then put country in the values field. Now one more thing you have to do is you have to change the option from the value field setting, and how you go there is on the values box, click on the little down arrow, go to value field settings, and on the summarized values by tab, go down all the way to the down and find distinct count. Click OK. There you go. You have each country counted for only one time, and this is very helpful when you have multiple data for multiple names for a specific field. For example, if you are working with facilities, um, facilities to different borrowers, and same borrower might have multiple facilities, and your data has multiple rows for each borrower, and but you want to know the number of unique borrowers, then you can use this way. I'm not using a customer data in my example because I don't have publicly available customer data. All right, I think that helps. I wish you a very happy and healthy life. Thank you. Have a nice day.